Tonight we're kicking off the 4th USA by the Bay Eastern Shore Speaker Series here at our beautiful USA campus in Baldwin County. We're real excited to have two amazing physicians speaking tonight, Dr. Bob Israel and Dr. Ben Schrubbe. These are physicians who really practice what they preach. They're outstanding physicians in every way, and they have embraced fully this integrative medicine concept that it's not just the traditional disease care, it's more of a focus on wellness and prevention and nutrition and a lifestyle that encourages healthy choices.
In the medical community, this is long overdue. We have done very well taking care of, once a problem arises, taking care of it. But one thing that I think this opens up a whole new world to a lot of people is actually preventing these diseases from ever occurring, or if they do occur, we can treat them in a very in a way that empowers people. They can actually do these changes in their own kitchen, in their own homes, and really see the positive effects of making those changes.
USA by the Bay is an extension of USA in Mobile, and I'm here because USA has implemented a integrative health and wellness program, which includes 2 and soon to be 3 teaching kitchens in Mobile and in Baldwin County. It turns out that 8 out of 10 of the top causes of illness and death in the United States are caused by things that can be prevented by healthy diet, exercise, and mindfulness, decreased stress. So teaching kitchens are a way to address the unhealthy diet, but we want the food to be very tasty and healthy.
These are exciting days at USA with all the growth on the main campus, the growth in the health system. There's a tremendous amount of enthusiasm about all things USA, and it's just really exciting to be a part of USA, the flagship of the Gulf Coast.